Hello there, my name is Paul. I'm the owner of a stone restoration and repair and maintenance service in Dallas, Texas called Paja Stone Repair Service. Today I would like to talk to you about maintaining and cleaning your quartz countertops the correct way. Here we go. Quartz countertops are a great choice for modern looking kitchens with lots of solid colors available, as well as natural looking as well. Quartz is a beautiful and durable option for countertops in your home, but a few things have to be understood before you make the choice to purchase the material. Engineered quartz countertop manufacturers like Cambria, Salstone, Caesarstone, and many others available these days have marketed their products for years as this almost indestructible material. Many customers, due to this marketing that is still being used by salespeople to this day, believe that quartz countertops will never chip, never crack, never stain, and require almost no care whatsoever, and that you can pretty much do with them as you please. All of those statements over time have been proven completely untrue. I've worked with stone countertops, including quartz, for about 16 years now. Quartz counters will chip, crack, stain, dull, and etch. Some things that will happen to quartz if it is not maintained properly I didn't even mention. The material was marketed as this maintenance-free option that will save you worries from sealing and caring for granite, marble, and quartzite or any natural stone. Again, over the years, this has all been proven wrong. Don't get me wrong, I'm not criticizing quartz countertops, and I'm not trying to tell you to stay away from them. This is not the case. What I'm trying to tell you is that quartz countertops from companies like Cambria, Caesarstone, Salstone, and others also require correct maintenance, correct cleaning, and overall care to prevent them from getting damaged, discolored, or stained, or so they simply don't lose their shine and luster. Let me mention a few things to try to avoid if you have or are thinking of having quartz countertops installed in your home. I personally think that the best option to clean your quartz countertops is to use warm water and clear dish soap. I would recommend regular Dawn dish soap, but if you'd like to go more natural and skin friendly, you can use the 7th generation clear dish soap, which is made from biodegradable ingredients and is safer for your skin. Links to both products I'm including in the description of this video. For a little bit deeper cleaning and UV protection, if your quartz is outdoors, because quartz is sensitive to sunlight, I've seen that Wyman quartz countertop cleaner and polish have been working very well as well. Again, a link to this product is also in the description. You might also use this product on countertops that are inside of your home but get a lot of sunlight through windows. As your regular maintenance and care for your quartz countertops, that is all that I would use. Now let me mention a few things you must avoid if you have quartz countertops. Number 1, never put anything very hot and directly from a stovetop onto your quartz countertop. If you need to put something hot on the counter, use a hot plate. Quartz countertops have resin in them, which does not respond well to very high heat. I have seen issues from putting very hot objects on quartz countertops, ranging from cracks due to sudden temperature changes in the resin, and burn rings from hot objects that discolor and basically melt the resin in your countertop. Number 2, never use harsh chemicals, bleach, or anything like that. Do not use soft scrub as well. And especially never leave any cleaners on your countertop for any period of time if spilled. Number 3, don't leave any juices or liquids spilled on quartz countertops for any period of time if spilled. Wipe up as soon as possible. It might create discoloration or light etching look like damage. Number 4, make sure any soap bottles or anything standing or laying on the quartz has no moisture underneath. Over time, this might create discoloration. Number 5, you will have chips on edges inside the sink or in other places over time. It's unavoidable. Do not try to repair them yourself with so-called do-it-yourself chip repair kits. You could get on Amazon, Home Depot, Lowe's, and other places. Usually this creates a bigger problem and more damage due to no experience of working with stone materials. One more thing I will mention is that originally quartz countertops were said to be non-porous and permanently sealed. Today we see quartz sealer products popping up, and it seems that quartz is prone to staining, which originally it was said that it wasn't. Personally, as a professional, I have not seen any natural looking multicolor quartz get stained in any way, where a sealer would have prevented the problem. The only colors I have seen prone to staining are solid, pure white colors and light solid colors overall. As you can see, quartz countertops require a little bit of regular maintenance to keep them looking as new as possible. There are also a few important things I mentioned to be careful with. If you follow those warnings and regular cleaning as mentioned in this video, you should not have an issue with quartz countertops becoming dull, discolored, or cracked. If you liked this video and think it has useful information, please like it. I hope you subscribe to the channel for great future content like this, and remember to share this content with friends, as they might find it useful as well. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care.